What advice do you have to students of Yiddish?
I think to take advantage of the opportunities that, there's a lot of new Yiddish educational opportunities that are coming about, and in that respect, it's a good field that they should go to Vilnius, they should go to Weimar, they should go to the National Yiddish Book Center, they should come to Bloomington. It's amazing how many different places there are. They should go to Tel Aviv, how many places there are right now where you can study Yiddish. And it is a very nice community of graduate students studying Yiddish. There's an international community, many of them know each other. And I look at my students who know people from all over the world through these Yiddish centers. And that's, to me, more important than learning the language itself is the people that they've met and the connections that they've made. And, again, this is the internationalism of the language, but that, Vilnius summer program brings people really from all over the world, from many different backgrounds to Vilnius to study Yiddish. And I think that that's, always been an integral component of the language, and it's good that it's becoming an integral component of the culture again. But I think it's a good development that Yiddish isn't only being taught at YIVO or at Columbia anymore, and is being taught in places like Weimar and Vilnius, and is attracting people who don't come from backgrounds that necessarily would have studied Yiddish before. I have a graduate student who just finished her PhD, and she's Lithuanian, and she first encountered Yiddish through David Katz in Lithuania, and then came to Indiana University to do a degree in Yiddish. I've got another Yiddish student who's of German background, and I think it's good for it to be a language that's not exclusively studied by Jews, but is actually studied by the other people who contributed to the culture that made it Yiddish. And Germans have their own relationship to Yiddish, and Lithuanians do as well. And I think it's important for them to contribute to Yiddish studies as well. And I think it's a good opportunity for anybody studying Yiddish to make those connections and to realize that and to partake in that international community of Yiddishists.